Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain about how to clear cookies and saved content from your television. Please follow this video and you will get to know easily steps. Make sure your TV is in TV mode or an HDMI input before trying to access the TV settings. It depending on the model of your TV, that following images may differ. However, the steps to clear content are similar. The instructions of this video, it only clear cookies and cached images and data. History and bookmarks, it won't be affected. Here I will explain about 2015 to 2020 Samsung models, how to clear the cookies and cached images and data from your Samsung Smart TV. I will start to explain. The model name is TU/Q/LS model TVs in 2020. First of all, press the home button on your remote control and go to settings. After that, navigate to the broadcasting and go across and select the expert settings. Once in expert settings, select HBBTV settings. After that, select delete browsing data. After that, select delete to delete cookies. Once you have selected delete, a pop-up box will be appear stating that the cookies have been deleted. Now I will explain about another model, MU/M/NU/RU/Q/ the frame model TVs 2017 to 2019. First of all, press the home button on your remote control and go to the settings and then select broadcasting. On the broadcasting menu, scroll down and select expert settings. Once in expert settings, select the HBB TV settings at the bottom of your menu. Select delete browsing data. After that, select delete to delete cookies. Once you have selected deleted, a pop-up box will be appear stating that cookies have been deleted. Now we'll explain about other model, K/KU/KS model TVs 2016. First of all, press the home button on your remote control and select broadcasting. After that, select expert setting. After that, select HBB TV setting. After that, select delete browsing data and follow the prompts to clear any saved data on your television. Now I will explain about different model, J/JU/JS model TVs 2015. First of all, open the web browser app. Select the menu button in the top right corner. Select the settings option. From the menu items on the left hand side, select privacy and security. Scroll all the way to bottom of privacy security page. Select the delete browsing data option. Click yes to delete the browsing data. Both cache and cookies are included in this information. The information will be deleted and you will be able to select OK to finish.